What is going on? It's Monday and it's Mo Day. Throw down some super juice. I didn't get the super juice the other day when I threw down my RGS, so we're gonna do super juice today after the mow. Throwing down, spraying out, and go from there, guys. So hang tight, watch, and we'll see what it's all about. There she is. That's the old lawn. It's looking real good. Real good. This might be the best my lawn has ever looked. I love it. But now it's time to get on with it. To get some weed eating done. There's the old Bermuda. Looking pretty good from my view. Oh, I'm loving it. Loving it, guys. I know a lot of you that aren't into lawn work, I guess, but you love watching people do it. It's a feeling of accomplishment, a feeling of greatness, just a feeling of just great all over. It's amazing. You can talk to any one of those guys that have been doing it, like Alan Hain, lawn care nut for 10 plus years. And he'll tell you the same thing. He loves being out in the yard. He loves doing this stuff. And being able to see what I just saw, I'm going to be doing this for a very long time. And I hope to bring my content to you guys like them. I can only be so lucky. So I enjoy what I do, and I hope you guys enjoy what I do. And get some information. But as you guys saw, I was wearing my PPE, my gloves, my glasses. No, I'm not wearing pants or anything like that for weed eating. I don't care about that. Real men wear shorts when they weed eat. I saw that somewhere. Don't know where. But anyway, let's get to it. I'm about to get this super juice mixed up, and we're about to go to town. All right. All right, guys, that is it. Got the mowing, the weed eating done, the application down of super juice. Did 1 cup per gallon of water, and then juiced it up. Today was good, guys. Today was good. It's probably in the 90s right now. I feel good. It was just the front yard. I didn't have to really huff and puff in the backyard this time, so front yard looks amazing, guys. I love it. Love how it's looking. And I'll give you guys a walk around. What do you say? Want to walk around? I bet you do want to walk around. I didn't touch this, guys. Did not touch this time. I'm not too worried about this one. But as you can tell, there's quite a bit of Bermuda in there. But yeah, craziness. Here's guys in her pride and glory. Give me another little walk around. These are the places I go to take my pictures for progress. And under this tree is not looking too bad. Not too bad. It's growing in, guys. I'm getting it taken care of. Getting it taken care of. And over here, oh man, it feels good under the shade. Guys, I hope you can see the greatness behind me, because I'm super stoked today. Super stoked off of some super juice. Now it's not just super juice, guys. It's just like a kick boost or whatever they want to call it. But the lawn is looking great this year. I can't explain to you what happened last year to what happened this year, other than the fact that I did my very best to take care of it, to water it, to mow it when I needed to. And I'll tell you this right now. Last year, let's just say this. It's May 18th right now. And when I started last year, it was sometime I started late last year, so it was like April. But that whole season, I feel like I've mowed more this season, and it's just May, than I did that whole season last year. I'm mowing every 3 days here, maybe a fourth day. Like today's the fourth day because it was raining the past couple days and it was real soggy. I didn't want to ruin and put ruts in the yard. So I went out today and did it, but I'm mowing every 3 days. I am out there every 3 days. And now that it's getting a lot hotter, it's in the 90s right now, guys, and here in Texas, and the Bermuda loves it. Loves that heat, loves that water. And more I keep giving it, the faster it grows. And, you know, come here in a little bit, probably my next mow, possibly. Maybe next week, who knows, but it's soon. It's coming. Well, I'm going to be mowing probably every 2 days because I am keeping it short. I want to keep it short. And I like it short. So, yeah. Backyard's looking really good. I can see where some of the image is working, which is great. And I'll show you a little bit of that right now. The yellowing, hopefully you guys can see that. Like right there, and then over here, this whole patch over here, right in there, was just super dark green. I think this stuff was mixed in with maybe some perennial. I don't know, but I'm starting to see a lot more Bermuda in here. Spread. I know I was showing Jeremy of the Greener Lawn on my Instagram some rhizomes that were just coming across. Like I just weeded this a couple days ago, guys, and it's already coming, so that's good. I like that. But yeah, the image is doing what it needs to do. I can see some of the yellowing in spots, which is good. It's killing off the grass that I don't want. And even if it does hurt some of the Bermuda, which I doubt it will, it's gonna come back strong and quick. But the backyard looks great, guys. It's got some work to do, but this is my project lawn. This is my backyard Bermuda project. So yeah, can't wait. Cannot wait. But all right, guys, I feel like I've had you on here long enough. I only mowed the front, and I put an application down of super juice up there, 1 cup per gallon. Put it in my Hudson attached spray hose, whatever you want to call it, and went to town on the front yard. It's great. I love those Hudson, what are they called? Hudson hose sprayers, hose-in sprayers. Yeah, Hudson hose-in sprayers, bottle things. I love those. You got to get your timing down right with that. You know, unlike RGS and Aerate and Dethatcher and Microgreen, where you need specific amounts, like, you know, 6 ounces per 1,000. Fill it up with water a little bit and then spray it out. You know, these Hudsons, you don't get that. It's just. And speaking of microgreen, I'm going to be putting that down probably next week or the next mow. We shall see. Probably the next mow. So I want to start getting that down. So next week or next mow, I'll be doing the backyard as well. And And you're probably asking, well, why don't you cut the backyard when you cut the front yard? Well, I cut the backyard really short. It's not growing as fast as the front yard. The backyard's a little slower. It really is. It's taking its time. And for whatever reason, whether it's expanding out more instead of up, I'm fine with, or whatever it may be, I want to let it grow a little bit longer. So when I mow the front yard next, in 2-3 days, I'm going to be mowing the backyard, throwing some microgreen down here, and actually, the next mow could be landing on Memorial Day weekend. So Lorganine's going to go down, microgreen is going to go down, and we're going to have some fun with it. It's Memorial Day. Can't really have fun anymore outside the lawn. You know, everything's on lockdown, but I'm fine with that. Trust me, the newborn, I'm fine with that. I'm happy to be in the yard right now. But anyway, guys, like I said, I'm gonna get you off of here. Y'all can go do what you want, and I'm gonna go inside and make some lasagna. That's right, some lasagna. I love that stuff, as you can tell. But I gotta show you this front yard one more time, guys. It looks good. See you later.